Hi, this is Brian Chemist from MarineMax in Fort Myers, and I'm aboard our most recent trade. It's virtually new, 2019 350 Outrage with 48 hours on the 350 Verado motors. They're white 350 Verados, joystick docking, skyhook, autopilot. The boat's just broken in. A few of the features that the boat has is a standard live well back here in the port corner. Very comfortable transom seat that folds up and down. 3 people easily can sit there. Standard dive door, which makes it really easy to get on and off the boat, whether you're at the beach snorkeling or scuba diving. And over here we've got our bait prep station, which has a second optional live well, a storage area, freshwater sink, lots of places to put your hooks, knives, pliers, and lots of storage in all these drawers for your fishing tackle. The helm of the 350 Outrage is laid out really well. You can reach all the switches that turn the lights and the pumps on and off. We've got 2 GS 165 Ray Marine units, chart plotter, fish finder, radar, and here's our joystick docking system, which has autopilot in it and also skyhook. This boat has the mercury theft deterrent system, which is a nice option to take that fob out and nobody can operate and drive the boat. And also a VHF radio and our digital hydraulic steering with our Verados and our digital shift and throttle. Big thing about the 350 is it's got 3 helm seating, so 3 people can sit across the helm. The head compartment on the 350 Outrage is enormous. It's easy to get in and out, and it's got a vacuum flush head system with overboard discharge and a pump out, and we've got lots of cabinetry for storing your items. Down below also a freshwater sink. The bow area of the 350 Outrage is so family friendly and comfortable. You can see all the seating and lounging we have. Port and starboard, we've got loungers. We've got a table that'll go up and down and turn this into one big lounging sun pad area. And then if that wasn't enough, look at this huge sun pad area. 2 people can sit across here and charge their phone, rest their drinks, has armrests. And then for those families that really use the boat and need storage, look at the storage under here. We can fit lounge chairs, floaty toys for the beach, fishing gear, fishing poles, scuba dive tanks. Thanks for coming with me on our walkthrough of our pre-owned 2019 350 Outrage that we have here at MarineMax Fort Myers. I know the boat well. Give me a call if you have any questions or want to see the boat. My name is Brian, and our phone number here in Fort Myers is 239-481-8200. Thanks again.